In the previous example, we saw a way of dealing with missing values in our dataset, and that was to filter them out. Now we are going to see a different strategy, which is not to filter the missing values out, but to replace them with some other value. To do so, what we are going to use is a different operator, and that operator is called replace missing values. But let's go ahead and see the previous process. First, we load our dataset, and in the second step, we declare the missing values. Remember, our missing values in the dataset were question marks of nominal type. Then we filtered out the missing attributes, and then automatically assigned the types of the data that are remaining. So now what we are going to do is to, after the declare missing values step, instead of filtering them out, I will delete this block. I'm going to replace the missing values. And here I have a bunch of selections. I can replace the missing values with the average of the column, with minimum or maximum, or with 0, or with a value of my choice. Now what I'm going to do is to select the average, but there are better ways, more accurate ways of dealing with that, but it's a little bit more advanced, so we are going to see that later. I will now go ahead and run this process. And in the end, what you need to see here is that we have 500 examples, because we didn't remove the 3 of them which contained the missing attributes. And in my statistics pane, I see both x and y values as real values, real number values. So they are no longer polynomial. This is what I wanted to do, and the advantage of this approach over filtering the missing values out is that I didn't lose any data points. So this is something that we would use when we have a small amount of data and all data points are valuable for us. But of course, we need to be able to replace the missing values with something that really makes sense for our data analysis.